Stuck at the Dropbox login screen? Forgot your password? Here's exactly how to sign in fast and get back to your files. We'll cover the standard email login, alternative sign-in options, and what to do if verification is needed. Let's get you in. So start by opening up your browser. It doesn't matter which one you use, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, whatever you've got. Just head over to the Dropbox login page. You can type in dropbox.com/login or just go to dropbox.com and click the Sign In button at the top right. Either way works fine. Now when the page loads, you'll see a clean, simple form. The first thing it asks for is your email address. Go ahead and click into that email field and type in the email address you used when you first created your Dropbox account. This is really important. Make sure there are no typos and double-check that it's the right email. If you're anything like me, you might have more than one email address, so take a second to be sure. Once it's in, we're ready for the next part. Alright, after you've entered your email, move down to the password field. Type in your password. Now here's a quick tip. If you're worried about mistyping it, look for the little eye icon on the right side of the password field. Clicking that will let you see what you're typing so you can make sure everything is correct. If you can't remember your password at all, that's okay. There's a link that says Forgot Your Password right below the field. Click that and Dropbox will send you a reset link to your email. But if you know your password, go ahead and type it in. Now, if you're not in the mood to type a password, or if you prefer using another account, you've got options. Right below the password field, you'll see buttons for Google, Apple, and sometimes other sign-in methods. If you click one of those, it'll use whatever account you're already signed into on that device. So if you're already signed into your Google account in your browser, clicking that button will pull up your Google login and connect it to Dropbox. Super convenient. And it saves you the trouble of remembering yet another password. Just keep in mind that you need to have previously linked that Google or Apple account to your Dropbox for this to work. Once your email and password are in, or once you've chosen an alternative sign-in option, it's time to click that big blue Sign In button. Just one click and Dropbox will start verifying your information. This usually happens almost instantly, but on a slow connection it might take a second or two. Now pay attention to this one because it's a common sticking point. Dropbox may ask you for some extra verification. This is a security measure to make sure it's really you. They might send a code to your email address or to your phone if you have two-step verification set up. Just check your inbox or your phone messages for that code, type it into the box on the screen, and click Verify or Confirm. It only takes a moment, and it's a really good thing. It means no one else can get into your account without that code. And that's it. After verification, you're logged in. Now you'll see your Dropbox homepage, with all your files and folders right there waiting for you. You can click on any file to open it, create a new folder, or upload something new. You're back in control. So there you have it. A quick, easy way to get past that login screen and into your Dropbox account. This guide was created by Mards Alina on Double.so, a platform full of step-by-step tutorials just like this one. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might be stuck. Thanks for watching, and happy file syncing.